Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is exciting. So if you look behind me here, I know it might be a little bit dark. Let's brighten her up a little bit. We've had these wheels sitting back here for a good amount of time, and we just finally got these tires that literally took 8 months to ship. But we got the tires, we got the wheels, so today we got no other option but to get these mounted with some of these tire pressure sensors, and then yeah, we can finally get the new wheels on the car. So I'm gonna get the wheels and tires in the back of the truck, and then we'll take them out to a shop to get them mounted and balanced. Let's go. Pretty damn good. Alright guys, we got the wheels back at the house. I gotta give a huge shout out to my boy Devin. I came in clutch getting these tires wrapped on the wheels. I went to quite a few tire places in Spokane, and no one wanted to touch these wheels for liability reasons, because they are pretty expensive wheels and no one wanted to pay for them and they screwed it up. So Devin came in clutch, got these things on here for me, and yeah, now before we get them on the car, I do want to ceramic coat them. So I'll take you guys with me through that. I do have some Armor Shield 9, is what I use from Avalon King. If you want to pick some of that up, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. But yeah, without further ado, let's get these things cleaned up and ceramic coated, and we can get them on the car tomorrow. It's currently dark out, which is why I'm in my kitchen right now, under the brightest light we have in the house. So gotta work with what you got. So let's get these done, and yeah, we'll see how they look tomorrow. Alright, so this wheel is completely cleaned up with some IPA, and we are ready to start ceramic coating it. So we're going to go ahead and open up our Armor Shield 9. So inside the little package here, you're going to find your ceramic coat itself in this little bottle. Dig a little further down, you're going to find your little applicator and applicator rag to wipe off the ceramic coat, and then you have a few little applicator towels in here as well. Okay, so you're going to take your little applicator block here, throw your little cloth on there, and now you're going to take your actual ceramic coat, go ahead and open it up, and you're just going to put about like 5 little drops on the little towel, and you're just going to do horizontal and vertical motions on the wheel. So you just kind of go around it. And kind of just get it on there as best you can. So for the smaller cracks, I'll just take the block away, and I'll just kind of apply some ceramic coat to the pad itself. And you can just kind of go in there and just use the pad. Horizontal and vertical motions. Just trying to get it all over the wheel best you can. kind of got it spread on there a little bit. I'm just going to start cleaning it off from right around where I started, which is right in here. Just go ahead and wipe it off. Alright, top side's all done. These things are so frickin' sick. So now we just got to do the inside, which is way easier. You know, you can just take your pad and just run it around it and wipe it out. Top's a little bit trickier because, you know, you got to get in between all the spokes, but overall, you know, comes out so sick. Ceramic coat, I love that stuff. You know, once we wrap the STI, we'll be applying it to the whole car as soon as we wrap it. That way, you know, you protect it, and yeah, ceramic coat's just got a ton of benefits to it. So, but let's get these wheels. Let's get this wheel flipped over. We'll do the inside, and then this one will be done. So now this wheel is completely done. So throw this up to the side, get working on the next one. 2 wheels done. We're on to the third. Now, this one I want to show you guys. I wasn't going to show you, but, you know, it is what it is. So, as you can see, this wheel got a little bit beefed up. We had these sitting around for like 8 months in boxes in the corner. And, of course, as soon as I take it out, we damage them. So, it is what it is. It's not terrible. I'm sure at some point in time we'll probably re-powder coat these. But for now, I'm just going to ceramic coat over it. And the one I have sitting over there by the couch, that one is also a bit scratched. Not as bad as this one. It's got like one little mark on it. This one got it the worst. Like I said, it is what it is. So let's get the rest of these ceramic coated, and we'll be done for the night. Morning, guys. We got a bit of snow last night, so kind of sucks because you're not supposed to get ceramic coat wet for a few days, I think. So we're gonna take the car out. As you can see, it's like really freaking dirty. It's got leaves on it, and yeah, it's been sitting for a while. So we're gonna take it out, throw out the pressure washer, clean it up a little bit, and then I'll probably just slap the wheels on the passenger side, see how it looks, and then you know, we'll come out when it's not full of snow out here and get them on once the ceramic coat's fully cured. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing started. Hopefully she starts up, and we'll get going today.
Like 3.5 down and I let off.
That's so sad.
Shit.
Oh my god.
Getting wet. Oh, don't get wet.
Damn, boy.
Look at the back between the front.
She pokes a little bit. Kind of perfect though for the flare. Put another probably inch spacer in there. Damn. She's spicy. Those are sick.
Golly.
What do you think?
I think that they think you got a little offset there.
You like them?
Just a little bit.
Damn. Shit. All right, let's get the back on. Well, what do you guys think? I think this thing is sick. I kind of like the bronze with the silver, but we'll have to see what it's like with the wrap. That's badass though. We're definitely gonna have to cut into the fenders a little bit, especially if we want this thing any lower. I mean, I can't get anything in there, so yeah. I wanted to get a lower profile tire, but couldn't get any. There's like none around here, and it is what it is. So yeah, that's what she's gonna look like. I mess with that heavy. That is so freaking sick. Oh my god, I didn't think it was gonna look that good. Wow. So if we come to the driver's side, there's stock. There's the new wheels.
That's such a cool
So you can see we got a little bit of poke. So we're gonna have to do probably a 1-inch spacer, and it'd probably be perfect with the flares. I just wanted to sit flush, have sick fitment, but yeah, I think that's gonna be freaking sick. So let's run it.
I'll pinky promise you, Poopy.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like. Let me know in the comments what you think of the wheels. I think they're so sick. The 57 Extremes are probably one of my favorite wheels of all time, so just super grateful that I could have the opportunity to put those on this car. Everything I use in today's video, so the ceramic coat, the wheels, all that kind of stuff, the tires, it'll all be linked down in the description box below if you wanted to go for the same setup. And I definitely recommend the ceramic coat to anyone who wants to protect their cars. So tomorrow I got to work on the Duramax a little bit. We haven't really done anything to that. Just drive it every single day, and yeah, need some work. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Appreciate you guys for watching, and yeah, see you later. Peace.